right, so welcome to the video on how to make a sharp curve. As always, you're always going to score the dotted lines. You're going to cut the solid lines. So you're going to cut this one, and this one, because this makes 4 total. And then you're also going to cut out these little lines right here, like the squares. I call them little houses. You have a house right here, you have a house right here, all the way through. So once you've done that, it'll make something that looks like this. So again, cut out the little houses. I've already scored my lines. And now it's gonna fold it. So to fold it, kind of fold up and over, like so. The idea of the sharp curve is you want to make what's called kind of like a little spiral staircase. So ideally it's going to kind of twirl, and while it twirls, it's also going to make the marble go downwards. So there you go. And then depending on which direction the marble is coming from will determine which side you're going to start with. So if the marble is kind of coming left to right, start with the left side. Or if it's going from right to left, start with the right side. So for me, it doesn't really matter which side. But the key is when you're taping it, you want to use small pieces of tape. And like I said in class, you want to put your tape on first because it's kind of hard to hold and tape at the same time. And the key with this one is you want to make sure that when you're taping it, you don't want the flaps to fold inward. You want them to be straight up because otherwise the marble is going to fall out. So to do this, again, holding the flaps nice and straight up and down, you're going to pull it together. I'm going to see if I can adjust this to make it a little easier for you to see. There we go. So again, holding the flaps up and down, I'm going to pull it together. And then just before I tape, I'm going to raise the previous one and then apply the tape. Like so. So you kind of see there's a little bit of a distance between the first and the second one. And I'll do that again. So again, putting my tape on first, holding the flaps straight up, pulling them together, and then just before I tape, I'm going to raise the previous one and tape again. And I'm going to keep going all the way around. Again, the hardest thing is just getting your fingers in. And as you can see, as you tape it, it naturally starts to bend the paper around, and it also starts to kind of drop it. There we go. Got a couple more to go, and then we're done. The last one's probably the trickiest because you gotta kind of sneak your fingers in. And there's a sharp curve.